Assalamualaikum and very good day. Okay, welcome to my another video for English Year 4. In this video, we are going to learn about adverb of frequency. When do we use adverb of frequency? Okay, we use adverb of frequency to talk about how often we do something. How often tu maksudnya kekerapan. Berapa kali kita buat. Okay, there are four here. There are four adverb of frequency that we are going to cover in this video, which is the first one, always, second one, usually, third one, sometime, and the last one, never. Always, usually, sometime, never. Always to describe an action that happen all the time. Maksudnya always ni maksudnya kita gunakan always ni untuk menceritakan, memperihalkan bahawa action ataupun perbuatan itu berlaku setiap masa, maksud setiap hari, selalu kita buat. Itu cerita dia. Usually when referring to an action that most often happen, maksudnya usually ni adalah untuk kita menyatakan bahawa benda tu hampir selalu kita lakukan, tapi ada masa kita tak lakukan juga. Okay, maksudnya kerap lah. Okay, sometime, we use sometime when referring to an action that doesn't happen as often. Maksudnya sometimes ni kadang-kadang kita buat, kadang-kadang kita tak buat activity itu. And we use never for an action that doesn't happen at all. Never ni kita gunakan untuk benda ataupun aktiviti yang kita memang tak buat langsung, kita tak pernah lakukan benda tu. Macam tu. Okay, we have always, usually, sometimes and never. Kalau kita tengok kat sini, kalau boleh tengok dekat rajah yang saya buat kat tepi tu, okay, how often, always tu maksudnya skala dia penuh. Maksudnya kita memang selalu melakukan benda ni. Okay, usually ni hampir penuh. Sometimes ni is about 50-50. Sometimes kita buat, kadang-kadang kita buat, kadang-kadang kita tak buat. Okay, and never, tak pernah buat langsung. Alright, okay. Second point, we put adverb of frequency before the main verb. Okay, dalam ayat kita ada subject, kita ada verb. Okay, jadi kat mana kita, where we should put adverb of frequency? We should put it before the main verb. Kita letak dia sebelum verb. Okay, maksudnya subject, adverb of frequency, main verb. Macam tu. Okay, mari kita tengok contoh. Let me see the example. Okay, there are 5 sentences here. Okay, remember we put adverb of frequency before the main verb. Okay, we use 4 here, always, usually, sometimes, never. Okay, now look at the sentence. Okay, I get up at 6 o'clock. I skate in the ice rink. She combed her hair. He rides his bike to the park. Helen and her sister watch dramas after dinner. Okay, where, and then you can see that there are the meter next to the sentence, each sentence. Okay, like for the first one, show the full meter, it means always. The second one, nothing, it means never. Okay, almost full for the third sentence, so it should be usually. And for the fourth one is 50-50, separuh-separuh, should be sometimes. And for the last one is usually. Okay, now we check the main verb for each sentences, because we need to determine where to put the adverb of frequency. Okay, as you can see there, the first sentence we have get up. The second one, skate, the verb, combs, rides, and watch. Okay, those are the verb, main verb. Okay, kata kerja yang dilakukan dalam setiap ayat. So, where to put the adverb of frequency? Before. Okay, before the main verb. Okay, like that. Okay, like I put the mark there, the purple one, the purple small triangle there. That is where we should put the adverb of frequency. Okay. Uh, Now we give some space for each sentence where we put the adverb of frequency. Like for the first one, okay, the full meter, so it means always. I always get up at 6 o'clock. Okay, example number 2, I never skate in the ice rink. Okay, look at example number 3, combs. Okay, almost full. Okay, the meter is almost full, so it should be usually. She usually combs her hair. Okay, the fourth sentence. Okay, 50-50 should be sometimes. He sometimes ride his bike to the park. And the last one, almost full, it should be usually. Helen and her sister usually watch dramas after dinner. Okay, you got? Okay, very good. Now, I want all of you to look at worksheet 6, number 6. Okay, I want you to answer all the 6 questions. Put the adverb of frequency in each sentence. Alright, using never, usually, always, and sometimes based on the meter that I give to you next to the sentences. Alright, now I want all of you to pause this video for a while and then you can play it again, okay, to continue with the discussion of the answer for this 6 question. Okay, you may pause now. Alright, okay, I hope that you can answer all the 6 questions and put the adverb of frequency at the correct place. Okay, now let me discuss the answer. Okay, we have 6 sentences. She wakes up at 6 o'clock. We watch our favorite drama after dinner. Farish forgets to feed his pet cat. I brush my teeth twice a day. They go to swimming pool. She listens to her favorite K-pop song. Okay, now, first of all, the first step is to determine the main verbs. Okay, for each sentences. Each sentence, all right, for all the sentences. Okay, the first one, the verb is wakes up. Okay, for sentence number 2, the verb is watch. Okay, now you should highlight the verb. Okay, Farish forgets, so the main verb is forgets. Okay, the fourth sentence, brush. The fifth sentence, go. And the last one, listens. Alright, now you can identify all the main verb in each sentence. Okay, now number 2, determine where to put the adverb of frequency. Okay, where should we put the adverb of frequency? Before the main verb. Okay, like that. Alright. Okay, now we look at the meter. Question 1. Okay, the meter is almost full. Okay, the answer is usually. Okay, she usually wakes up at 6 o'clock. Alright, now we look for question number 2. Okay, 50-50 should be sometimes. Very good. We sometimes watch our favorite drama after dinner. Okay, next. Nothing. Okay, so should be never. Farish never forgets to feed his pet cats. Okay, sentence 4. Okay, full. So it should be always. Very good. I always brush my teeth twice a day. Okay. Sentence number 5. 50-50. Okay. They sometimes go to the swimming pool. Okay. And the last one, full meter. Okay. She always listen to her favorite K-pop songs. Alright? Boleh? Okay, kita kena ingat kembali bila kita nak buat benda ni, yang the first one, kita determine dulu, kita tengok dulu, kita check yang mana satu adalah main verb. Dan kita kena selalu ingat bahawa bila nak letak adverb of frequency ni adalah sebelum main verb, sebelum kata kerja. Maksudnya subject, verb, tengah-tengah dia. Okay, subject, adverb of frequency, then verbs. Okay, faham? Okay, and then ingat balik meter-meter tu tadi. Kalau selalu kita buat, selalu, sentiasa, always, hampir selalu, it should be usually. Kadang-kadang, 50-50, should be sometime. Tak pernah langsung, we should use never. Okay, itu saja untuk video ini for this time. Okay, I hope that you all really understand how to use the adverb of frequency and where to put the adverb of frequency in each sentence. That's all for this video. See you in another video. Bye.